Fishing has always been about patience, instinct, and timing, but the right gear can quietly shift the odds in your favor. From spotting fish you cannot see to simplifying setups that usually take time, modern gadgets are changing how people fish without taking away the experience. These are 15 tools that do not replace skill, but make every cast smarter and every catch more likely. Number 15. Underwater fishing camera. There is always that question beneath the surface. Are there actually fish where you are casting? The underwater fishing camera answers that instantly by showing you what is happening below in real time. It helps you understand fish behavior, depth, and movement patterns. This removes a lot of guesswork from fishing. Many models come with night vision and wide-angle lenses. It is especially useful in deeper or murky waters. Over time, it turns fishing into a more informed and strategic activity. Number 14. Rippton CatchX. Fishing becomes more efficient when you do not have to constantly watch your rod. The Rippton CatchX is a smart bite alarm system that alerts you the moment a fish bites. It connects to your phone and sends notifications instantly. This allows you to relax or multitask without missing action. The sensitivity can be adjusted based on conditions. It is especially useful for long waits or night fishing, a small device that changes how you stay alert. Number 13. Cut-safe fillet gloves. Handling fish can be unpredictable, especially when sharp fins and blades are involved. Cut-safe fillet gloves provide a layer of protection that lets you work with confidence. They are cut-resistant and designed for a secure grip even when wet. This reduces the risk of injury while cleaning or filleting fish. They are also comfortable enough for extended use. A simple tool that makes a messy process much safer. Number 12. TactiBite Fish Call. Sometimes the challenge is not catching fish, but attracting them in the first place. The TactiBite Fish Call uses sound vibrations to draw fish toward your location. It mimics natural feeding signals underwater, increasing your chances of bites. It works in both freshwater and saltwater environments. The device is compact and easy to attach to your line. It adds an extra layer of strategy to your fishing setup. Number 11. Fishing rod holders. Holding a rod for long periods can become tiring and distracting. Fishing rod holders solve that by keeping your rod secure while you wait. They free up your hands so you can prepare bait or manage other gear. Many designs are adjustable for different angles and terrains. They improve comfort during long sessions. A simple addition that makes fishing more relaxed and efficient. Number 10. Microfiber fishing towel. Fishing often comes with water, slime, and constant mess. A microfiber fishing towel helps you stay clean and in control throughout the process. It absorbs water quickly and dries just as fast. The material is soft yet durable for repeated use. It can be clipped onto your gear for easy access. A small item that keeps your setup organized and manageable. Number 9. Collapsible wagon cart. Transporting gear can sometimes feel harder than the fishing itself. The collapsible wagon cart makes that process effortless by carrying everything in one trip. It folds down when not in use, saving space during storage. The wheels are designed to handle rough terrain like sand or gravel. It reduces physical strain significantly, ideal for anglers who carry multiple rods and equipment. Number 8. Smartphone mount fishing rod. Capturing the moment is difficult when both hands are occupied. The smartphone mount fishing rod lets you record your catches hands-free. It attaches directly to your rod, positioning your phone perfectly. This allows you to film or stream your fishing sessions easily. It is especially useful for content creators, a simple tool that turns fishing into a shareable experience. Number 7. Fishing line winder. Setting up your line can be time-consuming and frustrating. The fishing line winder simplifies that process by evenly spooling your reel. It prevents tangles and uneven tension that can affect performance. The design is easy to use even for beginners. It saves time and reduces setup errors, a practical tool that improves preparation before every trip. Number 6. Lighted bobbers. Fishing does not have to stop when the sun goes down. Lighted bobbers make night fishing much easier by clearly showing when a fish bites. They glow brightly and remain visible even in low light conditions. This improves reaction time and accuracy. Many are battery-powered with long lifespans. A simple upgrade that extends your fishing hours. Number 5. Engel bait cooler. Bait quality can make or break your fishing results. The Engel bait cooler keeps bait fresh and active for longer periods. It maintains a stable temperature and often includes aeration systems. This ensures live bait stays in optimal condition. The build is durable and designed for outdoor use, a reliable way to protect one of the most important parts of your setup. Number 4. Fishing chair with rod holder. Comfort becomes essential during long fishing sessions. A fishing chair with rod holder combines seating with functionality in one setup. It allows you to sit comfortably while keeping your rod secure. Many designs include storage pockets for gear. It reduces fatigue and improves focus. A convenient solution for extended trips by the water. Number 3. Garmin Striker. Finding fish becomes easier when you can actually see what is below. The Garmin Striker is a fish finder that uses sonar technology to map underwater activity. It shows depth, structure, and fish locations in real time. This helps you choose the best spots instead of guessing. The display is clear and easy to read. A powerful tool that turns fishing into a more precise activity. Number 2. Bait thrower. Distance can often limit your fishing success. The bait thrower helps you cast bait much farther and more accurately than by hand. It is especially useful for spreading bait over a wider area. The design ensures consistent and controlled distribution. It saves effort while improving reach, a tool that expands your fishing range significantly. Number 1. Predator Kontiki system. Some fishing methods require more than just a cast. The Predator Kontiki system takes bait far into the water using a motorized device. It carries your line out to deeper areas where larger fish are often found. This removes the need for long casting entirely. The system is efficient and surprisingly easy to use. It completely changes how you approach fishing in open waters.